I've been in the game for the past 5 years now, and I have the interest to be my own boss. I was staying at my mom's place. Okay, it wasn't going well. I was crying like, God, why? I see people online, they are showing their Lamborghini and other stuff. So I also want to reach there very fast. You understand? I was sad. You get it?
So were your parents aware about this?
They're not aware. I was able to flip $100 to 40,000 3 days.
What?
Like I don't have anywhere to go. Trading is my, because I don't want to work for anybody. The mentor can make you profitable. You will make yourself profitable by putting in the work. You can have mentorship, but then if you don't put in the work, like you're not going to understand anything.
Hi everyone, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Aaron Della right here again, and I'm back again with another interesting episode. And if you're new to this channel, all I want you to do is to hit that subscribe button, like, and leave a comment. In our previous podcast, we had a very beautiful guest. Her name was Unfiltered FX, one of the best female NAS 100 traders in Nigeria. Today, I'm interviewing one of our own right here in Ghana, one of the best gold traders. I've seen this guy do massive things in this market. I've seen this guy do massive things in this industry. I remember the very first time I chanced upon his page, I'm like, damn, we have traders in Ghana. So without further ado, let's just welcome Kwesi FX. My brother, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Wow. So, bro, can you tell me about your experience and how you began trading the financial market? Or, if possible, how did you start learning? Like, how did you find about Forex?
Yeah, so I started trading 2020.
Okay.
Yeah, so I've been in the game for the past 5 years now.
Okay.
Right. So I actually started trading during the COVID. Yeah, I was at a university. Yes. So I think when the lockdown came, yes, that was when I started looking for ways to survive. Right. Yeah. So think I saw one video about okay, it's one of my seniors way back in SHS. Yeah, so someone told me that this guy is doing online, you know, trading, right? So I was interested, and I told the guy to link me up to him, right? So I got in touch with him, and then everything started from there.
Wow.
Yes.
So was prior to that, was there like maybe something you saw that made you want to go into it? Because I mean, people were doing different businesses.
Yeah.
So why is that when it came to online forex trading, you were interested? Was there something in particular?
Yeah. So actually, I started with affiliate marketing. That was during 2018, 2019. I was doing affiliate marketing, but it wasn't, going well, right?
Okay.
But I have the passion of, doing something on my own. Like I don't want to finish school and then go and be looking for work. You see that,
Yeah.
and yeah. So started from that. I have the interest to be my own boss. Yes, I have the
Wow.
interest.
So during the time that you started learning from this particular guy, what was the journey for you like? Was it something that you felt like, nah, actually, this is hard. I know fit. Like, what's
Okay,
up?
so actually, I have the passion. I'm really like it's interesting. It's very interesting. Trading is very very interesting. So I have the passion, and I was very determined to uh to be successful. You get it. So I reach out to the guy, and he actually we did some session online. So he briefed me, and also one of my classmates. His name is Greylock. He was already in it, but he wasn't really,
Yeah.
So he also briefed me. Yeah. So the guy, they took me through the beginner session. And from there, I also joined some Telegram groups. And it was, I started learning from there. I paid for some mentorships. But I never had any mentor in Ghana here, okay? So I paid for one guy, his name is Coben FX. Started from there, and from him, I took some other um, mentorship, but it was course. Okay, they will just give you the course
Materials.
exactly to go and study. They will not give you that
One
one on
on
one.
one
You
closure
understand?
with them.
Like the way we are doing currently. Okay, so for that one, when you have the doubt, you don't have anyone to ask. So you have to sit your ass down and try
Watch it
to
over and over
exactly
again.
exactly. So when I started, I was staying at my mom's place. Okay, and in my room, I have this one plastic chair and some small table. Okay, so
I think I've seen that picture before.
yes, yes, and even my laptop and my charger, everything was, yeah, you get it.
Wow.
Yeah, so I started from there. I was very, very determined. I can sit in the room like the whole day without going out. If I'll go out, maybe just to go and eat, then I'll come back inside. You get it. Can be there like it was drumming. It was interesting.
So tell me, how long did it really take you to learn to get profitable, or at which year did you start getting like you realize that
Okay,
yeah,
so
Charlie?
I think immediately I started because I really put in the work and I have the passion for it. But then it was going well, but like I wasn't profitable. I just deposit money, blow and cry, alone. Yeah, I remember some time I deposited $1,000. I think at time it was around 5,000 Ghana cedis. Yes, and I lost all, right. So I just went back to bed. I was crying like, God, why?
Why
Like,
me?
why me? Because I see people online, they are showing their Lamborghini and all that stuff. So I also want to reach there very fast. You understand? So I was very, very, I wasn't disappointed in myself, but I was sad. You get it? Depositing and losing it to the extent that I had to defer my school. I had to
Wow.
defer 1 year.
Was it because you spent that money to trade?
Yeah, I spent my school fees.
You spent your school fees to trade.
Yeah. Yeah, I
Wow.
spent my school fees. Yeah.
So were your parents aware about this?
They're not aware.
So your parents. So wait.
But they know that I defer. But they
Wow.
don't know the reason why. Yeah.
Interesting. Wow. So tell me, like, um, prior to that, were you working a job, or did you just? I mean, you've already told me that you wanted to be your own boss.
Yeah.
So right after you finished, or right after you deferred, you're like, I mean, it's do or die. I'm just going in.
And so I was not working, right? I was not working. But I got to a time that, like I feel like I've studied something, so I need to, I need capital. So I started doing mobile money. So I did mobile money.
For yourself, or you pay
No, for
someone?
myself.
Like you're doing it yourself?
Yes, it's for
Wow.
myself. Yeah. I was doing it myself. So it get to a time I was not getting time to watch the market. Okay. So I had to employ someone to come and take over. Then I'll go home and go and study. Like I like to study. I enjoy it. You get it? Yeah. Until one time, some tenants in our house gave me, I think, 5,000 Ghana cedis, and I also lost that money. But human beings, when anything that involves money, if profit is coming, they will be
Happy.
happy. But then when you lose it, they will demand for their capital. That's why till now I don't do account management. I don't trade for anybody.
Wow.
You understand? If it's my $100 that I get, I'm okay. I'll find ways and means to build it up. You get it? Yes. So I started from there.
Wow. So talking about that tenant story
Yeah.
of how like he funded you 5,000, and then when you blew it, what was it like for you? Were you like now running away, hiding from
No,
him?
no, I was not. I told him what happened. It was actually NFP, and that time like I really don't know much about. You get it? So I think I entered, and then one long candle wipe everything out. I was in profit. I was happy, but One of my problem that time was, taking profit. Like I want to make huge profit, huge gain from the market in a single day. You get it? So that cost me a lot of losses. A lot.
Wow. So tell me, you've spoken so far about your background, you've spoken so far about your education process and all. What has been that moment in the market for you that made you feel like, yo, this is it? Like, Forex till I die. What was that moment for you?
So when actually when things started picking up, right? So what I did is, if I make profit, I try to use that profit money to buy something physical, right? So that, should in case I lose my money or my capital, at least that thing will motivate me not to give up. You get it? Because I know that I use forest money to buy this. I use forest money to buy car. So, I'm seeing it. So there is more to be achieved. You get it?
Wow.
Yeah. There's more to be achieved.
So what was
So
that thing that like made you feel like, yeah, Charlie, this is it?
okay, so I think 2022, I took some mentorship, right? And after the mentorship, I started seeing some progress, started pushing in the work, right? So I think I bought some pro firm accounts also, which I lost it. Then due to that, I was like, nah, I'm not interested in any pro firm again. So let me just focus on my personal capital.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I was able to flip, I think, $100 to 40,000. So it's
What?
just in 3 days.
What?
Yes, in 3 days.
$100 or
No,
$100,000?
$100 to $40,000 in 3 days. I think I even have it on my wall.
Wow.
Yes,
Real account.
real accounts. So
Wow. In 3 days.
yes,
At that moment, would you say it was because of the mentorship you had?
you can have mentorship, but then if you don't put in the work, like you're not going to understand anything. And also, one thing I've studied about learning new things is, immediately you learn it, it's fresh in your mind. So when it's fresh and
Execute.
how I actually learn is, let me say, if I have the mentorship video over here, I'll make sure I'll open the chat over here. Then the same thing that I'm watching, I'm trying to see the same thing, replicating the same thing. So
Mm.
I'll pause if it's what, uh, maybe gold Thursday, the same price action. I want to open the same thing and see what the guy is doing over there, and also what do the same thing.
Yeah.
So me doing that, I'm training my eyes. You get it? I'll pause, check, try to what understand why what he bought here, he sold here, those kind of stuff. So like it really sharpened my knowledge,
Wow.
and then I was actually
So that's like a very dope one. So
yeah.
let's get into a bit of question and answers. Okay. So let me ask you, would you rather trade an ICT concept or would you trade pure price action?
For me, pure price action.
Have you
ICT is more like just a fancy, every newbie wants to trade ICT. They have beautiful setup, okay? But that doesn't make it like
profitable?
profitable, you understand? They just label, like what does it mean? You
But have
understand?
you traded ICT before?
No, I never traded ICT. I started from algo concept. Yes, I did advanced, I think, smart money concept also. But it was more related to time and price.
Wow.
Yes. And time and price is very, 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 very important. Time and price is very important. Because the institutions, they don't just come to place orders. They have particular time. That's why volumes come. You get it? Some sessions or some hours you see that price is very idle, it's not moving. Then some hour you see price moving very, very fast. Yeah, so we have certain times that price move. So that's how come we have time and price. So when
Yeah.
time and price meet, price just move.
Wow.
You get it. So if you want to be a good flipper, you need to focus more on this good timings. Okay, we have timings during London session. Have its own times. That's what some people call it kill zone. But then you need to know how to use it. You get it. Then we have New York session also have its own timing. Right. So if you are someone that trades gold and US 30, US 30, for instance, you can be trading it during London session.
Yeah.
You are
So slow.
wasting.
Yeah.
You understand. But then when it's exactly 9:30 UTC minus 5, that's when it start moving. Come back to that particular time. It moves very well.
Wow.
Yeah, gold also have its own timing. So when you see price at a certain key level, then you check your time, it matches, you
It's
just
perfect.
load it.
Wow.
So when you load it, you see it going. So time and price gives you direction also. You get it? Because let's say you price come to a support level that you are looking to, you get buy. Then price get there exactly your kill zone time that you want to.
Yes.
It tells you, it gives you extra confirmation that price is going to reverse from there.
Wow.
Yes, so it's very important.
Wow. So tell me, what should Crazy FX be known for? What do you want your legacy to be? Like, if
Yeah.
someone talks about Crazy FX, what do you want to be known for?
Yeah, so I want to be that guy, that coolest guy that, gives free content, free value, expensive value, but then I like to give it out free. Yes. So in my community, I give free signals. I don't really care about if they pay or not. You get it. I really like people to. I like to put people on. You get it. You to make something. Let me also make something. Yeah.
Wow.
So what actually happened is that day when I founded, that was my last money, the $100 that I funded. So that was my last capital. Then I actually started trading only gold. Yeah, so it's only gold that I trade. And I first took it from I think 100 to 1,003 or so. Then from there, young Konkwa. You understand? Yeah.
Wow.
Yes.
So I'm guessing that was like the biggest money you had made at that time
Yes.
in your life.
Very
So
big. Yeah.
at that moment, looking at that money, withdrawing it, what was the feeling like? What did you do with that money? As you said,
Yeah.
you
So
did physical stuff. You do like to do physical stuff with
yes,
your money.
yes. I got myself some land.
Wow.
I fence it. I cut some a lot of I think I have a lot of blogs and sounds on it. Then I bought myself some crawler.
Wow.
Yes. So it was good time.
Wow.
A good time.
Amazing. Amazing.
Yes.
Amazing. So boiling down into your wins, you've spoken about that bigger moment for you. Was there a season in your life or in your trading journey where you felt like, nah, actually, I think I want to quit because maybe you had lost a huge amount of money that you thought you could never, or was there a particular season in your life? Can you like,
Many
can you
times.
share with us? Can you share with us?
Yeah. Many times. So I could remember one time I made some huge gain. It's also flipping through these flipping stuffs. Right. I think I was able to flip some, I think, good. I have the screenshot. It was 999. That's $1,000. And I took it to $10,000. But then I wanted more. Though I closed it, but I wanted more. So I was fat trading. I made some loss. I want to recover that loss. I started, entering, trading, losing, trading, losing. If I realized like everything is gone.
Sheesh.
So I was like, God, Like I don't have anywhere to go. Trading is my, because I don't want to work for anybody, and I'm not going to use my degree or certificate to go and look for work somewhere. So I don't have any option.
Yeah.
I don't have any option. Though I want to quit, but I don't have any option. I just have to next day. The passion is there. I really have passion. I love trading. So I'm not even interested in if someone introduce a bot or EA to me that's working. I'm not interested because I want to do it myself. You get it? Even if it's working, I want to do it myself. That's the kind of passion that I have for trading.
Wow. And I think I hear this a lot from a lot of pro traders that
Yeah,
say that you've got to love the game more than the money and you will begin to see results in your
exactly.
life. So tell me, for beginners out there that want to start their journey in trading, what would be your advice for them? Like, what is that roadmap you give them?
Yeah, so first they should have passion for it. They should be determined. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You want to be profitable or successful in trading, you have to take it as a job, right? Not a part-time job that you show up anytime you want. Okay. And also you don't have to depend solely on your mentor. Your mentor is just to guide you and answer your doubts. He's just there to help you reach that level quick because your mentor has passed through and has corrected all the errors. He knows all the mistakes
True,
that
true.
you get it. So I think it's very, very important to have a mentor, someone that will coach you, someone that you can, when you don't understand something, you reach out to him. Oh, Della, like I saw the price it there's like what's the reason, you understand? Someone that can guide you. You get it. Yes, then you need to trust the process. Have patience.
Yeah,
You get it. Have patience. Then the last one, that even if you have a working strategy and you don't have, you will still not be profitable, is discipline. It's very, very like difficult to be disciplined.
true.
Very difficult. If you are disciplined, your strategy is even 50%, you are good, like good to go.
Wow,
Yes, you are good to go. Discipline is the key. So you need to be really focused. You need to have patience. After getting mentor is a key. You need to have a mentor. You can't figure it on your own. I never figured it on my own. If I say, oh, I'll figure it my own, then by this time I'll not be here. You
hmm.
get it? It will take me years
Wow,
to really take me here. So you need a mentor, someone that will guide you. Yeah. Then you need patience. Last, you need what? Discipline.
wow.
Yeah.
That's so deep. I mean, we've heard that patience and passion for the job very important,
Yeah.
discipline, and then having a mentor to guide you
Very, very
on that
important.
journey. That
Very
is
important.
like something that you cannot take out of the journey. All right, so that's lovely. Thank you so much for the valuable content you've given us so
Sure.
far. I can see that you're already giving us valuable content. But if anyone else is watching and would love to reach out to you, where could we find you? And then if somebody wants to learn under you, where could we find you as well?
Yeah. So I'm on IG. I'm active over there. So you can search Kwesi Forex. Over there, you see me. And also Snapchat also you can see me over there.
Okay. Do you also have a Telegram community?
Yes, so you can search Chris Forest Trading Academy.
Okay.
Yes, so make sure you look for the right one because a lot of people when they see that you are making it up over there, they try to impersonate and create.
Wow. So I'll try as much as possible to have all the actual links to
Yeah,
his pages right under the link in the description box so you can follow up
sure.
and subscribe to his channel and contents as well.
Right.
So this was a very lovely episode. This is one of Ghana's finest gold traders. In fact, he trades all pairs, but very good with gold. I can testify for a fact. And I thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Any last words for my people?
Be patient, okay, and be determined, right? Your mentor can't do it for you. You need to put in the work. Your mentor is to guide you. Okay. Your mentor can make you profitable. You will make yourself profitable by putting in the work. Be consistent. Even if you are making loss, we all what we have blown accounts. We have made
Several times.
many losses. There are many times that we want to quit, but then the passion, keeps what we keep showing up. We always show up, put in the work. So if you want to reach where we are now, you just have to also what replicate the same thing that we did to be successful.
Wow.
Yes,
Success is repetitive. If you see anyone doing it big,
exactly,
all you need to do is copy. Every great artist once copied.
exactly.
Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Yep.
Peace out.